Hey there, YouTube land, Brimstone667 here. So I figured while I got a moment, I got the other car out here today. So I'm going to show you guys a little tip, and it's actually for those plastic headlight lenses, you know, on the cars nowadays and all that stuff. But I'm going to show you a little tip actually that my neighbor down at the ranch, he actually taught me a long time ago. And well, that is a big butterfly. Holy cow! But yeah, so it's gonna save you a few bucks, you know, so you don't have to get those $50 headlight restore kits, stuff like that, you know. So and all it is go down to your Walmart or wherever, and you got to pick up some Deepwoods off. Got to make sure though that it's 40% deep, because that's what it is that burns up that plastic really good. Because what really it does is it takes that outer layer of the plastic, melts it a bit so it cleans it up, and then what you do after that, let it sit for a few minutes or so. Take a can of Clearcoat, which I like to use the this is an older can, I've had it for a bit, but I like the Rust Top enamel crystal clear. Use the crystal clear because it gets the better looking on it. So so yeah, let's switch you over here, and I'll show you this huge butterfly I hit. Look at the size of that thing. Anyway, alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you guys off to my kid and just show you how easy. Get the camera over there.
I see it.
So I'm going to take a couple of paper towels here. Don't spray it directly on the headlight itself. What you want to do, it's been a while since I used this camera, but spray it on the paper towel. Don't inhale it like I just accidentally did. And check this out. Again, we'll see the difference there. Check that. A little bit of elbow grease. Look at the difference in that paper towel. But yeah, it really saves you on the pocketbook. And yeah, there'll be a, you know, bug splatters here and there and stuff. You got to really scrape that off if you really wanted to. Go to a car wash or whatever, but I'm trying to do this on the budget here. But yeah, so check out the difference with Deepwoods and then what it was before. Huge difference, right? Just, you know, even just a little bit of scraping, you know, with a little bit of elbow grease. So what we're going to do is we'll just let that sit. Come to this side, and remember, like I said, spray it on the paper towel, not on the car itself. Just a little bit of elbow grease, so get in there. But it has to be 40% deep. I've tried it with like the 20% other stuff. It doesn't work. Has to have 40%. I don't know why, but it works a lot better that way. And there you have it. So this is, you know,
You need new paper towels.
yeah, I do. But yeah, look at the difference in that. But so we're gonna let this sit for probably 5-10 minutes or so. Let it bake in the sun. I'm probably gonna see about getting some lens cleaner, clean that up really good, because I know I got some somewhere. But yeah, Deepwoods off. If you're watching this, I use you guys a lot. And then afterwards, after we let this cook. Krylon, if you're watching. So for the second, we'll just go ahead and cut that off for there. And hey, so I just wanted to take a quick minute just to let you guys know about firedepartmentcoffee.com. Now, you know, I'm not paid to say anything about it. I am working with trying to get into an affiliate program though, which would be nice. Still trying, guys, but yeah. So just want to say, you know, it's a great company though. You know, they're run by firefighters and veterans. They also give back to the communities. They give back to the EMS, veterans, law enforcement, you know, anything like that. They have a program. Also check out on their site. So but yeah, you know, just you guys should really check them out. Tell them that I sent you on over. Brimstone 667, of course, obviously, you know. But I've been trying really hard to get with them for quite a while now. Someday, I'm still hoping, but I still drink their coffee religiously because it's the best coffee I've had. You know, I love their spirit infused coffees. They have a whole bunch of different kinds. You know, my favorite is the black cherry bourbon, but also too, I've been experimenting where I'll mix and match coffees. You know, got little Keurig, so you know, just put a little bit in that, you know, those little K-cup things. But you know, I've been trying one I really like putting together is the vanilla and the blackberry. That's a good combo. So is the vanilla and cherry, and just have fun with it, you know, guys. Try it out yourself. You know, it's they got a subscription club, you know, that gives you something monthly, which I am not a part of yet. I just, you know, I buy in bulk, you know, so it's like, oh, I want this one, and I want this one. And you know what? I'll get some stickers and stuff too, because I'll give them out to friends and family and stuff like that. But yeah, check out firedepartmentcoffee.com. Like I said, not paid to say it, but good coffee, guys. So yeah, when you can, yeah, link's gonna be in the description as always. Also got, you know, my little blip at the end of the videos. So, you know, with the code FDCoffee10 gets you 10% off of your orders. And I think right now it's 75 or more. You get free shipping. Don't quote me. I cannot remember off the top of my head. But and also, you know, go to Ripley's Design on Facebook. Ask for some Brimstone merch. Still working on getting a better logo done that with transparency, so we can get on other colors and stuff like that. But yeah, you know, go there also. Tell them that Brimstone sent you and that you want some merch. You know, I got hats, shirts, and stuff like that. So every little bit helps. So, you know, it helped me out, and it helped them out. And you know how I always try to help out everybody I can. So, all right. Anyway, enough of me jabber-jawing. On to the video. Also, sorry about the little mix-up at the end of the first part. You know, with my daughter still trying to figure out timing and stuff like that. You know, she took the wrong cue. That's okay. It happens. You know. So anyway, let's get back to it. All right. So now that we're back, real quick. Yeah, it's cooked pretty good. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna spritz this up a little bit. I sure hope this can's still good. Oh yeah. And you know what? I'm not really too worried about the overspray either, because that's just gonna help with the paint. So it's totally all right. But yeah, with the clear coat, it's going to dry up and it's going to put a nice clear film on that, so it's going to protect it from the sun melting it again, at least for a little bit longer anyway. So I couldn't find my sprayer, my lens cleaner. So you know what? we're going to pretend that we didn't see that, and we're just going to do it anyway. Because I'll just... Yeah. So we'll let that dry. Yeah, it's pretty much, you know, pretty much just a temporary thing, but it's a lot better than paying the 40-50 bucks on the those buffing wheels and all that other mixture concoctions and stuff like that. So yeah, Deepwoods Off and Clearcoat, and some elbow grease, cannot forget that. So it looks, you know, a million times better than it did. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.